Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this amazingly delicious garlic chicken in white sauce recipe. This Chinese recipe of garlic chicken in white sauce is super easy and so very quick and is restaurant style. So let's get started. For the chicken marination, I'm using here chicken boneless thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Adding in 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of white flour, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of black soy sauce. Combine everything well together. Also, I forgot to mention, add little bit of salt as per your taste. Don't forget that soy sauce is already having salt in it. Now it's time to fry the marinated chicken pieces. So in a hot wok, I'm adding enough oil to deep fry the chicken pieces. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to add one by one the marinated chicken pieces into the wok, frying each side of the chicken pieces until it turns crispy on all the sides. Setting aside all the fried chicken pieces on a separate place. This fried chicken is super yummy. You can just have it as it is. To make the garlic sauce, I'm using the same oil in which I have fried the chicken pieces. Once the oil is hot enough, adding in star anise. Once the tempering is done, adding the chopped garlic into the oil. Now I'm stirring up the star anise and the garlic until the garlic turns light golden brown in color. Adding in the spring green onions and also the garlic leaves. They are all chopped and stir frying them all together. Now it's time to add sugar and salt as per your taste. Mix everything well once again. Adding in the crispy fried chicken and stir frying all of them together. I have made a slurry out of water and cornstarch. I'm going to give the ingredient measurements in the description box. Adding in the slurry in the chicken and mixing them in low flame. I will add more water in it and give it a quick boil. Now this step is completely optional. If you want, you can add MSG. I'm adding 1 small pinch of it for added taste. So this quick and easy garlic chicken in white sauce is ready, and just look at it. It looks so super delicious and yummy. I just can't wait to try this recipe as soon as possible with the favorite fried rice or noodles of my choice. Just look at the chicken piece. It looks so juicy and yummy. This is so super delicious, full of flavors of garlic and deliciousness in this small bowl. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do hit the bell icon. See you soon. Bye bye.